arc sine of 1. Okay, you could solve this in terms of composition. You're plugging one into the other, right? So we could see what the arc sine of 1 is, right? So you have to think about the unit circle. Okay, because it's just asking for where sine is 1. We know it's going to be one of these points. Okay, so arc sine of 1 is going to be at pi over 2. Okay, and that's good. That's fine because that's within the restrictions. Arc sine is from you have to get a result from pi over 2 to negative pi over 2. Okay, so here we get pi over 2, and then we get the sine of pi over 2. Then you go ahead and you solve. And what is sine at pi over 2? 1. Okay, so basically what these tricks do is, remember that sine and arc sine are inverses, right, of each other. So basically they're going to be able to cancel out. Instead of you having to do that work, you'll be able to get the result that's left only if it's allowed within the restrictions. So for example, if we have arc sine in here, you have to make sure that what you are plugging in is within the domain. Okay, so for arc sine, actually we've talked about this before, for the domain it's between -1 and 1. Okay, so when you graph it, remember that it's the inverse of sine. So in sine, we know that the max and the min value is -1 and 1. This time, since we're switching it and drawing arc sine, then that means that the domain is not going to be from -1 to 1. Okay, so because this is within the right range, this is okay, and we're going to get our answer. Okay, so as we continue, we'll be able to see if it works or if it doesn't, and if it doesn't work for us, then that's okay, because we'll just work with what we have and find an angle within the restriction that will work for us, and then we can use this. Okay, so if you have sine inside, let's say you wanted to do the arc sine of sine, and you have sine in the parentheses, okay, then you have to look at the domain of it, and we know that it has to be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Okay, and